have a little chanting session for us to do for a Buddhist mantra, a tantric Buddhist mantra actually. So in Devanagari the mantra is rendered like this. In English we may transliterate and translate it like this. I've opted for a very concise translation because that is all that would fit within this text box. But know that most translations are a little longer. It is Om Tare Tutare Ture Mama Ayu Punya Gyana Pustim Guru Svaha. And we'll hear the pronunciation and rhythm of this as we listen to the audio of it in the background. But it can mean something like Om, O Tara, liberate from fears, grant success, health, virtue, and wisdom. So I'm going to minimize the background music and maximize the audio of someone reciting this with music in the background. And it might take me a few times to get into the rhythm and pronunciation of it. So we'll do it a couple times, more than a couple times. Actually, we can go for the full length of this video. It's only 7 minutes. Okay, hopefully you can hear this.
Om Tare Ture Mama Ayu Pune Jana Pute Guru So Om Tare Ture Mama Guru So Om Tare Ture Mama Ayu Pune Jana Pute Guru So Om Tare Ture Mama Ayu Pune Jana Pute Guru So Om Tare Ture Mama Ayu Pune Jana Pute Guru So Om Tare Ture Mama Ayu Pune Jana Pute Guru So Om Tare Ture Mama Ayu Pune Jana Pute ture mama yo pune jana pute kuru so om tare ture mama yo pune jana pute kuru so om tare ture mama yo pune jana pute kuru so om tare ture mama yo pune jana pute kuru so om tare ture mama yo pune jana pute kuru so.
Thank you, everyone.